If your computer crashes and you get a blue screen with the error, bug code Ndis driver, then this guide will help you fix this problem. This error usually means that your computer has issues after updating your system, an old or incompatible device driver, memory-related errors, corrupt system files, incomplete software installation or antivirus software. Your best option would be to think what on your computer has changed recently, for example, if you updated or installed an application. In this case, your best option would be to uninstall the program and see if the problem goes away. If none of this works, then follow these solutions so you can resolve these issues.
First, open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and then press Enter. This solution will delete your corrupt network drivers and upgrade to the latest version to stop the blue screens from happening. This command will look for damaged or corrupt files, then fix any problems that it finds with your Windows operating system. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Press Next. Now close the window and restart. This solution will delete your corrupt network drivers and upgrade to the latest version to stop the blue screens from happening. First, open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. This solution will scan your PC for integrity issues. Once it detects a problem, the sfc command will replace the missing or corrupt system files that it finds.